Student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you chemistry. Now I start your first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. This is your third lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about some introduction of this chapter just like what is chemical reaction, what is chemical equation. We also studies balancing the chemical equation and some types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction between we understand some types just like a combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. We discussed two types of reaction in previous lecture just like a combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Now recalling that what is combination reaction? When two or more reactant are combined together and form a single product, then we says that combination reaction. What is decomposition reaction? That means when a single reactant is split into two or more than two simpler product, then that reaction is said to be decomposition reaction. In this lecture we continue types of reaction here. Third type of reaction is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Now here displacement reaction is that chemical reaction in which more reactive element displace a less reactive element from its compound. That means in a displacement reaction, in a reactant there are compound and more reactive element in a compound displace less reactive element in the compound and form a product, new product, then that type of reaction is said to be displacement reaction. And this format is given below. A plus BC, this is the reactant, and AC plus B, this is the product. Here it's clear that element A displace B and form AC. Here A is more reactive than B because it's displaced B from its compound. So A is more reactive element than B. We also discuss in displacement reaction with examples. Now example is iron displace copper from copper sulfate solution. That means iron displace copper. It means iron is more reactive than copper. Second one is zinc displace iron ions from iron sulfate solution. Zinc displace iron. That means zinc is more reactive than iron. So it displaces from iron sulfate solution. Third one is zinc displace copper from copper sulfate solution. It means zinc is more reactive than copper. That's why it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. This is the subjective examples of displacement reaction. It's also clear some chemical equation. Now here first one is iron plus copper sulfate. This is the reactant and products is iron sulfate and copper. Here copper sulfate change into iron sulfate. It means copper displaced by iron. So iron is more reactive than copper. That's why it displaces copper and form a new product iron sulfate. And this brackets you familiar in previous lecture just like this showing the state of solid. This is aqueous and this is solid. Now second example is zinc and iron sulfate. This is reactant and products is zinc sulfate and iron. Now here iron sulfate change into zinc sulfate. That means zinc displace iron and form a product zinc sulfate. That means this is the new product form and zinc is more reactive than iron, so it displace zinc sulfate are formed. This is the bracket so in previous solid aqueous solid. Third example is zinc plus copper sulfate. This is reactant and product is zinc sulfate plus copper. Here zinc displace copper and form a new product zinc sulfate in aqueous form. This is a new product. In above example it is clear that some fact, that is iron, zinc and lead are more reactive than copper. That means why is more reactive than copper and copper is less reactive than these. Why we understand of this? We studies in this types of reactivity series in chapter 3rd. Now we move 4 types of reaction. Double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? Now here double displacement reaction is that reaction in which ions are exchanged between two reactants and forming new compounds. That is in double displacement reaction is that type of reaction in which ions are exchanged in between the reactant and form a new product. This type of reaction is said to be double displacement reaction. Here one also point noted that in double displacement reaction if precipitate are formed then it's known as precipitation reaction. That means in a double displacement reaction, if any types of precipitate are formed, then that double displacement reaction is said to be precipitation reaction. Now example of double displacement reaction is given below. Now here reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride is the example of double displacement reaction. Reaction between NaOH and HCl, this is the example of double displacement reaction. Now it's clear some symbolic representation. NaCl plus AgNO3, this is the reactant, and NaNO3 plus AgCl, this is the product. Now here Na displace Ag and form NaNO3, and Ag displace Na form AgCl. Here are two ions are exchanged, Ag exchange this and Na exchange this. This two types of exchange in reactant and form new product, though this is the example of double displacement reaction. Now this is the form state of aqueous, aqueous and solid. Here a white precipitate are form AgCl, so this is the example of also precipitation reaction. Second example is NaOH plus HCl, this is reactant and product is NaCl and H2O. Here these two compounds, here H combine with OH and Na combine with Cl. These two change of ions and form new product. This is the example of double displacement reaction. Here sodium sulfate and barium chloride form barium sulfate plus NaCl. Now here sodium exchange with Cl and barium exchange with sulfate, and this exchange of ion, so this product, and barium sulfate in solid form a white PPT, that means precipitate are formed. So this is the also a precipitation reaction example. Using this lecture you can solve your homework. Your homework is what is displacement and a double displacement reaction, and second one is write down 4 example of each reaction. Thank you.